Hello YouTube world, another knife video for you today. This is the Maxpedition small drop point, made in Taiwan. So what's all this about? Let's open them up and have a look. There's the boy there. Kydex sheath. Good retention on him. And there we are. Looks cheap and plastic. Zoom you in. On the face of it, does it look like a £52 knife? No, it looks like it was $2.99 down your local market. Cheap plastic handle. So, what's so special about this? Well, firstly, D2 tool steel. And also, it's chrome plated to help keep the rust down. Handles, good ergonomic grip. So why did I buy this? Well, if you've ever got your camping knife out with your big Scandi grind, whether it's a Mora or anything else, they're quite thick and chunky. This one's 5mm thick and they're not very good for chopping your veg. So had a look at this. This is only about 3mm thick, nice and lightweight, good choke point. It's got a usable blade size of about 10 centimetres, 4 inches. Nice and lightweight, easy to carry around. Doesn't look very threatening if you're out on a campsite. So it's quite understated really. The sheath. Take the paperwork out. 2 screws in the back of there, put this big clip on. For me the clip's a bit too big. I would probably take that off. Sheath's nice. Great snap. No rattle, very little rattle. That's not going to fall out anytime soon. Yep, that's not going to fall out anytime soon. That's nice and solid. So far it's everything I've expected. Let's go and cut some veg. I was reading a little leaflet that came with it and I found something very interesting. It says high carbon steel provides superb edge retention but will rust if not properly cared for. Rust may form when your knife is exposed to moisture or used in a marine environment, which we're probably all aware of. Now the interesting bit is in the next paragraph. It says the surface coating of industrial hard chrome is porous on a microscopic level. It provides high abrasion resistance but does not provide corrosion resistance. Now I'm surprised. I thought the chrome plating would protect it against rust, but obviously not. Right, finally, let's go and cut something up. So how does it work as a kitchen knife? Barbecue day today. Don't worry about the noise in the background, it's the little woman doing her cleaning. Ow! Slightly bigger challenge. An onion. This is how he comes out the box. I've not sharpened it in any way. I just washed off a little bit of oil and grease. No problem with the onion. Lovely job. No problem with veg. Now it's time for chicken. I will touch this up a little bit on the edge at some point. To be fair, I don't know what that was. She's cleaning today. I think she's cleaning. Let's move that out of the way. Absolutely no problem at all. That is pretty awesome. I gotta admit, that is good. Fine enough, take the breast off. Absolutely no problems at all. Trim that bit. Well, I think those couple of bits there, they've proved as a camp kitchen knife, absolutely fantastic. Let's take this boy outside and see what it does with some other camp tasks. So in conclusion, what do I think of this knife? I like the ergonomics on it, the handle's excellent. I like the way you can choke up on it a bit. I like the fact that it's D2 tool steel. I also like the fact that it's quite thin. It cuts meat and vegetables really well. Cuts wood fine. I didn't do any battening with it because there's no point really. That's not my intended purpose for it. Overall, as a camp knife, with the sheath, absolutely fantastic. The only thing for me would be, at some point, like I said, I may take this off. It's a bit chunky, I don't really need it. But apart from that, it's an excellent knife. For now, I will continue to use this in my kitchen as my main kitchen knife, just to put it through its paces, see how it holds out, and also I'll give it a coat of olive oil on the blade now and again, just to stop it from rusting, and touch the edge up, and then we'll see how it goes over time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.